Okay, guys, good morning. Welcome to the first day of online schooling. This will be quite an adventure for all of us. I think a learning curve for everyone. All I wanted to do today was go over just some things about online learning, just some expectations, things that we want to make sure are clear moving forward, just so that we don't have any major hiccups as we go along. So I do not have any chemistry planned for today. I just want us to get oriented with doing things online, getting into a groove, and things of that nature. Okay, so I still have a few things for you to do, but not regarding chemistry today. Okay, so I just have, hopefully I believe you can see this little document I have here. I have it posted on Canvas if you want to look at it later, just to kind of go over some of the things that we'll be doing for this class, just so that we're on the same page. Okay, so I'll just go through it and try to make this short and sweet, and we will go from there. Basically, the number one thing for this class is we will do everything through Canvas. So thankfully, we all got Chromebooks this year, and we have Canvas, and so I think we need to use it while we are not at the school building, and so it'll help us. Okay, so the important thing is that you need to check Canvas every day. Okay, I'm going to try to put everything for the class on Canvas. Even if we do a worksheet on another website or a Nearpod or a video or something else, I'm going to try to link it in Canvas. So if you check Canvas, you should see everything you need. And then, of course, email as well. I'll be sending out email. So that'll be the main thing. So you need to make sure you're doing that every day. But I'm sure you guys are going to be doing that for your other classes too. So that shouldn't be too inconvenient. The main thing also is the first thing you should check on Canvas is the announcements. I'm going to send out an announcement every morning with the things that we're going to be doing for the day. I'm going to post the announcement for today here pretty soon. And you'll see exactly what you need to do today, what you're supposed to learn today, and any other expectations. So it should just be a very simple to-do list for you to follow. Okay, and then from there, I'll try to put everything in the modules. So notes, assignments, worksheets, videos, I'll try to put that all there. And then if I can't link it in the modules, then I'll let you know where to go in the announcements. Okay, so that's what we're doing for this class, and we're just going to build from there. Okay, so everything's on Canvas, and I'm going to try to put everything in the announcements and the modules. We'll go from there. Okay. Of course, we're not in the classroom, and so we can't talk to each other per se in the normal way, like in a normal class, but we should still stay in contact. So here's a list of ways you can contact me. You should contact me a lot. There is no such thing as emailing me too much unless you're just sending me memes or weird things like that. Maybe that is not something you should do, but if you have a million questions, then you need to send me a million emails. If you have 1,000 questions, you need to send me 1,000 emails. I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer emails and do the best I can. So you should never feel like you are emailing me too much. So emailing me is the primary way that you should get in contact with me, and I will answer it. It's on my phone. I'll always answer as quickly as I can. And then on your end, you should be checking twice a day. A great time to check email is in the morning when you start school, and then in the evening if there's anything that any messages that your teacher sent you throughout the day. If you want to check that in the evening, that's also a good way to do it. So yeah, twice a day. I'm sure a lot of you will check it more than twice a day, but twice is a good minimum. Okay. And then also, just as a side note, if you want to get the app for Canvas, you can get that on your smartphone, and it will send you emails or send you push notifications for things that are happening on Canvas. So if you want to set up those notifications, I would also encourage you to do that. I have those set up on my phone, so that I can respond quickly to things you guys have. Another thing is you can comment on announcements. So if you go to Canvas, look at an announcement, you can leave a comment. There's a couple students that already do that in my classes, which is totally fine. Sometimes it's quicker than setting up an email, so you can definitely do that. I am requiring today, you need to leave a comment on the announcement. So today, for Monday the 23rd, you do need to comment on the announcement today, saying hello, or say I saw this announcement, just to confirm that I know that you know how to do that comment. So you need to do that today. So that's your first assignment for today. is leave a comment on the announcement for the class today, okay? And then the last thing for contact is we can actually do video chats through Canvas. If you go to the course and you look on the left side, I don't know who's left. This is my left, so I don't know. Anyway, your left side, whichever side that is, I don't know how this video works. There's a button for conferences. So on your left side, go to conferences, and we can actually set up a video chat. I will be doing that every day from 9:30 to 11. I'm just going to have it on, and so if you'd want to jump in and join it, you can talk to me. You can ask me questions about an assignment or anything like that. Or if that time doesn't work for you, we can do that at a different time. So just email me or message me, figure out a time where we can set up a video chat, and we can talk about whatever you need to talk about for the class. So definitely don't shy away from that either. Okay. Last thing, real quick, expectations for the class. These are just some very generic, basic expectations. Is that, yes, I know this is online class. Yes, we are not in the school building, but we still need to do the best we can in terms of learning and doing assignments and things along that nature. I'm not going to overwhelm you. I'm going to try not to, at least. I'm going to try not to send hours and hours of homework and things like that. I'm going to try to keep it reasonable and straightforward and to the point, okay? But at the same time, you do need to actually apply yourself and pay attention to the things I'm putting out. So whether I put out a video like this where we're doing notes, you do need to watch it. You do need to take notes on it. And you may be wondering, well, why would I take notes on something that's just posted online that I can always go back to? Well, the thing is you do not retain information very well through video. Even hearing something is not always the best way of retaining it. You are more likely, many more times likely, to remember something by writing it down or at least typing it out if you're doing notes on a Google Doc or something like that. So even though the notes are posted and you can always look at them, you're not going to remember as well if you don't write it down, keep a notebook, or do something on Google Docs like some of you already do in class. Okay, so you still need to take notes. Okay, just like normal class, we will not have notes every day. Okay, I'm not going to give new material every day, but when I do, you still need to take notes. And I will be checking that you are taking notes. I might have you send me a picture of them or share your Google Doc with me or something along those lines. So I will be checking if you're taking notes. I'll give you more specific information about that. Last thing real quick. Yes, assignments. We will still have assignments. We're still in school. School looks very different, but we still are learning and we're still doing the best we can with what we have. Okay, so you still need to do your assignments. You still need to complete them on time. I will try to communicate a due date on the assignment and in an announcement along those lines. So you still need to stay on top of things. Please do not let things pile up. That would be a bad situation. And then just like a normal assignment, if you have a question, ask me. If you want to email me or set up a video chat where we can talk about it, let's do that. I'm here for you and I'm here to help. The thing is, if you don't ask me, then I can't help you. And so if you miss a due date or something like that and I don't hear from you, then I assume you're either just choosing not to do it or something along those lines. But if you email me and contact me and say, hey, I'm having issues either with my computer or I don't understand the assignment, then I'm a lot more likely to help you. Okay, so that is the main thing for this class. Okay, so just take a look at that down there. Okay, I'm here to help you. We're all learning together. Okay, so please don't freak out, but you do need to talk with me. You do need to have that communication going, because if we don't have that, then I'm not sure how I can help you. Okay, so this was my attempt at doing a little intro. Hopefully this allows you to get started with things today. We will go from here. If I need to give more information, then I'll definitely do that. Your 2 things for today. You need to leave a comment on the announcement that I put out today, and then also there's a Google form, a little survey that is posted in the modules. You need to go do that survey. Okay, so comment, survey, that's your homework for today. Okay, and then if you want to jump on the video chat 9:30 to 11, or if you want to contact me otherwise, just let me know and we will go from there. All right, good luck with everything, guys.